Making beef caldereta. These are just ingredients I have in the fridge. We haven't done any other groceries because we just transferred yesterday. So I'm gonna show you my beef caldereta version, and we have the ingredients here: carrots, beef, onions, and a little bit of garlic, pink salt, pepper. Since I don't have tomato sauce, I have here a ketchup and a little bit of sriracha and a little bit of cheese. Alright, we'll start. Okay, so heat the pan. And I'm using coconut oil. And I should use coconut oil because it's healthier, especially for the kids. Right, Daddy? Okay. And first off, I'm gonna put the garlic. We had fish last night. This. And I'm the happiest because I cooked for the first time after almost 2 months of not having a permanent address. But we're good. I'm gonna be cooking more for the next few weeks. Where's Ati Dharma, Daddy? Ati Dharma, where are you? Huh? Wow, you have a lot of books. I'll just wait for it to be golden brown, and I'm gonna put the beef. By the way, these are already pre-cooked, so I made it and softened it earlier. This should be fine. And just wait it simmer and wait for it for a few minutes. Alright, I'm back. See you later. We added the pepper, salt, and a little bit of water. So I usually put a lot of water just to make sure it won't dry out when the beef starts to soften. So yes, and it's time to put the veggies. Here's the carrots. And here's the potatoes. Yeah, if you're a busy mom, you think about what kind of food you have to prepare for your kids and the bigger kid. Hello, bigger kid. So just wait for a few minutes, and I'll be back. So once the beef tenders, and as well as the carrots and the potatoes, it's time to put ketchup and a little bit of sriracha. So sa Bisaya pa, tender means humok. Humok-humok. Kung nagnakay pustiso, dili kampangag. Or dili magkubay mo gusto pangag na gali. Sorry. Tawawa. Alright, looks good. Sweetheart, are you excited? Dharma,
Yeah.
are you excited for Mommy's cooking show?
What are you gonna cook?
No, I'm making beef caldereta. Remember your favorite?
Oh, it's my favorite. I remember.
Come here, you want to see it?
Yeah.
Get a stool so you can see it. Tell our subscribers that Mommy makes. Where's the stool? Here. Is it colorful?
Yeah.
What are the colors?
Orange and brown
Yellow?
and yellow and orange
You already said orange, Judy.
and and brown in the soup.
Red.
Red in the soup.
Say hi to your subscribers.
Hi, subscribers.
We have a new place.
We have a new place and waterford.
What? Okay, so wait for a few minutes again to simmer, and I'm gonna add some cheese. I don't measure how much salt and how much pepper I put. Just depends on your taste. So, and if you want it a little bit of sweet, not super tomatoey, you can add a little honey to make it healthier, or a healthier option is honey, or you can also use stevia or brown sugar. Or if you don't have brown sugar, then you can use white sugar. It's almost done, and I forgot to mention that I have red bell pepper. So you add red bell pepper to give a kick to your dish. And then there's already a sriracha too, so don't make it super soggy, just to make plating look good. And here's the cheese. If you want to add more cheese to make it creamier, you can add to. I sometimes add milk, but it depends on your taste, or some people are lactose intolerant, or they don't even like the taste of the milk. So I don't want to make this dry, because my kids want something with a little soup on it in their food. So it's tasting time. Tasting time. I'm gonna taste my food. Alright. On Serenity. Get a cup, sweetheart. Alright. I'll be the judge of my own food. Not bad. The sriracha really gave it a kick. And sorry, I need to use the non-stick one. Wow, that's a sticker. That's nice, sweetheart. Here you go. Here we go. You can try this at home. You don't need
My channel, subscribe to my channel.